What's up, online shoppers? My new teeth whitening kit just arrived in the mail today. Now this one here from MySmile, it uses UV light to help whiten your teeth. Everything that you need is contained inside. You get a teeth chart. This can get you potentially 20 shades brighter than where you're at, especially if you're starting somewhere down here. I like that it has this little box for storage afterward. The battery compartment for the UV unit is right here. If you have to change the batteries, you also just have to turn it a quarter turn like that. There are two lithium CR2450. Turn it nice and tight. And there's your power button. Look how bright that is. So one push to turn it on. This here is your silicone mouth tray where you're putting the product that you're using to treat your teeth. And it's silicone, it's easy to wash, it's flexible. And then this little piece of your light unit fits right into the spot on the mouthpiece. It does fit pretty securely once you get it inside the silicone. You actually get 3 of the carbamide peroxide whitening gels, and this gel helps to accelerate the effects of the UV light and triggers the whitening process. Now, if you're somebody who likes to drink wine or likes their coffee, or perhaps you're a smoker, you know that your teeth might not be the whitest. This product is vegan, it is gluten-free, and there's also no sugar inside of this gel. Now, this one was specifically designed for people who have sensitive teeth because it is gentle. The formulation that they use for this teeth whitener is carbamide peroxide. Now, the trick with this is to put this on and leave it in your mouth for 10 minutes. So put on your favorite show, read a book, do something that gets your mind off the fact that you're going to have this little lighted up unit here sticking out of your mouth for the next 10 minutes. This little syringe has 3 applications in it. So you've got 3, 6, 9 different applications in this starter kit right here. These are your applicator tips, and they get inserted into the end of the syringe here. You can see that there are little marks here in 1/2-inch increments. And we're just going to use the applicator to easily apply half in here like that. And now I'm going to flip it over on the other side and do another half. So let's get this going and I'll show you what it looks like. Now, once you're done with your application, you can then screw this off. You can unscrew the tip, put the cover back in, give this a little rinse, and then you are ready for the next time. Now, when you're doing this, you're committing to up to 10 minutes of UV treatment. That's how long this little unit's going to run before it automatically shuts off. And now it's time to pop it in my mouth. Okay, here goes. It's all set. I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to do something for the next 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I've done one 10-minute session. Normally I don't like putting stuff like this in my mouth, but the mouthpiece was really comfortable. And this doesn't weigh a lot, so you don't find yourself straining to hold it in. And it was overall a pleasant experience. The mint flavor of the gel was pretty decent. I do see a difference. I'm going to take some pictures now and do this over the next few days. But so far, I'm really impressed. I love that they give you this nice little storage case for it, that everything can just pop right back in place. You don't have to remember to shut it off yourself. And you can order refills for the little syringes. I'm pretty impressed with MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit. And I think it's going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.